What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today, myself and the wifey are down in San Diego. We've been hanging out all day. We got a special event we're going to, the Triumph event here in San Diego. We're actually at a brewery called Little Miss Brewing Company down in San Diego, kind of hidden, pretty dope spot in Miramar. Yeah. Anyways, we got a little motorcycle event we're going to for Triumph. They're supposed to have unveil the 765, the Daytona 765. And I have absolutely been waiting for. I've seen the videos, but I want to see it in person. Obviously, seeing a bike in person is completely different than seeing it like in videos and hearing it in person. So we're gonna go check that out. I think K6 is gonna be there. Boris on Bikes is gonna be there. So we're just chilling, waiting, hanging out, and doing stuff and things today in San Diego. So it's a beautiful day, perfect time for beer. So cheers.
Be great time for French fries.
I failed as a husband today.
Yes, you did.
She wants French fries. I haven't got her any. But let's just go ahead and roll the intro. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, ready? Alright, let's do a little cheers, a little dab. Anyways, so we're at the Triumph event in Miramar, right? Miramar.
Somewhere.
Or Escondido. Miramar. Where it kind of sounds like I got a 765. So the dealer that I got the 765 or put my deposit on said they got 4 bikes. I was third, and they have 1 bike that hasn't sold. So it sounds like I may actually get it, which makes me scared. And
he can get it.
I can get it.
You get it.
And I got some swag. So anyway, so we're out here, and we're gonna look at some bikes in a minute. But first, we're gonna drink this beer and then go from there. See the GT40? Someone said it's a kit car, I think. Is that it? Look at that Impala right there, though. You know, that's what we need to be cruising in.
You know what? I don't have any room in my garage, so I'm just gonna fucking.
We need one of these, Kenny. Bump some some fucking Easy-E, some Dr. Dre, NWA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Kenny, I'm about to take a black card, and I'm not black.
You know what? I don't care. I don't care. You know what? That thing.
What? It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. It is beautiful car. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
This is dope though.
I'm just.
I would take this, a GT40. Woo!
I would take that.
I'm just gonna go into the Le Mans race.
I feel like I'm
the Vespa. That's all you
to enjoy that.
Yeah, that's what I see. I just told Kenny. I said, Kenny. He said no, and I said we could ride in that and bump NWA, fucking Easy-E, and he just kind of had a blank face. And I told him I have to take his black card.
You got scared.
You know what?
I have to take his black card.
How many times has that been taken away?
A lot. He's lost it a lot. Red's taking it away.
Checks out that more than
I didn't.
he
He
did.
let you hold it for a little bit.
I give it back.
The Ducati Diavolo or the Rocket 3?
I have not ridden the Rocket 3.
Okay, from what you know, between the two, specs, how they look, which one do you prefer?
Rocket 3. Yeah. Sorry.
Fuck both of you guys.
Dude, the Rocket 3 is just beautiful, dude.
It's just not. It's less Harley-esque.
Yeah.
More like class.
Yeah. Dude, look at that exhaust. I don't even know if you need to change that. I don't even think you need to change the exhaust. Like, there's really not much you need to do. Probably the Rocket 3,
My helmet
huh?
costs more than my car.
No, I have another one. I have another one.
You did?
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
I saw
the
it.
bell? Yeah, I saw that was dope. How do you like it?
It sucks.
Okay. Compared to like, yeah, it's gotta be not as good. Yeah.
It's shit.
It just looks good.
But it's not like.
Did you get one of those like space helmet?
I got one of those like Lego man helmets.
He's an Instagram model now.
You got a Lego man helmet? I gotta see this thing.
It looks good. I actually think I. Oh yeah. See?
Lego man helmet.
He did. But it looks good.
It does look good.
How does that feel? Like that's fucking straight.
That's what it sounds actually.
How does that feel on your?
It's nice.
I
Like,
ain't feeling
you
it.
got Sena on there?
Yeah, I got my
Scala.
the Sena's on the AGV. Good comm systems going good helmets. Mediocre. Comm
Good
systems
mediocre
go mediocre
helmets?
But it's a gorgeous.
That's how it works.
Needed. Dude, I had to have some random stranger in the parking lot of the gas station.
forgot my name
Like,
several
I feel bad
times.
that
Let's
ain't
see
right.
if she'll forget it again.
You didn't look like me. That wouldn't have happened.
Yeah.
Always try to get into the microphone, never connect.
Oh, that is fucking
I'm gonna
genius.
find a bathroom, I'll be back.
Smart.
That is smart.
That's number 7.
Good friends.
How many times did you forget me? Huh? How many times did Chelsea forget me?
Dude, I'm in complete, like, I can't believe that I might get a 765.
You are getting a 765.
Might as well have something over
Don't say
everyone.
Huh?
Might as well have something limited, like rare over everyone. And for 17,
You know, more than anything, I'm like, I want to have the 675, and then right next to it, a 765 parked right fucking next to it.
both before and after.
Yeah. Huh?
That's
You're
sick.
gonna feel so bad about yourself if you don't do it. And you're gonna cry at night, I'm pretty sure.
Yes, please. Take my money.
65 of these motorcycles available if you're remotely interested in one. I guarantee you need to put a deposit down with your local dealer tonight. Let's check it out over here, the all-new Daytona 765.
No,
We're swaying.
we are not
We're
swaying
swaying.
right now. That's not
Kenny, we're
happening.
swaying. No, we're not swaying. Don't worry about it. Don't think
I
about it.
hate you.
Kenny, this isn't happening.
This,
This isn't happening.
I'm trying to tell myself this isn't happening.
He's letting it happen though.
I'm out of here.
It's the husband. It's the husband.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna go get dinner.
I was eating
All right.
the fuck out of your fries, and I don't even know if you noticed.
I did.
So you let me be fat.
I didn't want any more fries. All right, guys. So
They're so good.
those fries were bomb. All right, guys. So I don't even know where we're at. Legacy Brewing Company Tap and Kitchen.
Fries here are
The
delicious.
fries are bomb. High five to the fries. Good choice. Anyways,
I didn't pick
so
the choice.
apparently I got a Daytona 765. So with that said, we're gonna wait. They don't know when they're happening, but anyways, appreciate it, boy. G, homie, whatever. Anyway, hey. Anyways, this guy's an asshole. But anyways, we're gonna take off from here. I hope you guys enjoyed the
Oh, you got a
video.
haircut.
I hope you guys enjoyed fucking 765, dude. What do you think of it?
And it's beautiful.
Right?
Yeah, it is the 675, but it's got more.
Pizzazz?
It's got more pinky.
More pinky?
That's
more pinky.
exactly what
the
it's got.
Daytona
It's got more-
765 has got more pinky.
More pinky.
More pinky. And with that said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys had a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever times you guys are watching it. Make sure to go check out this guy, K6. I'll put his channel link down below. Check out Boris on Bikes. I'll put his link down below. And until next time, deuces. Peace. Have a good night. I still got to drive fucking home. That's going to be a long ride. But anyways, have a fantastic night.